Incessant rainfall has triggered multiple landslides, mudslides, and flash floods across the Garo Hills region in Meghalaya, claiming 10 lives and leaving several others injured. The natural calamity has also caused infrastructure loss, with wooden bridges being washed away, houses damaged, and road connectivity from Dalu to Baghmara and other places completely cut off. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma reviewed the flood situation in the morning and directed the district administrations to seek any assistance from the government and ensure relief work is carried out in the affected areas. Directions were given to identify alternative routes to restore road communication in Dalu, Baghmara area. Rescue operations led by the State Disaster Response Force (SDRF) are in full swing, with flood-hit areas like Silkaigar Primary Health Center (PHC) requiring immediate assistance. Widespread damage has been reported in areas like Reserve Gittin, Modoltila, Rishipada, Hawakna, Sweeper Colony, Kamipra, Sunny Hills, Machikolgar, Akongare, and other localities, which are still under assessment by teams from the Tura Municipal Board (TMB) and the District Disaster Management Authority (DDMA). The incessant rains started Friday midnight. On the first day, 3 civilians lost their lives in Dalu in West Garo Hills districts, while 7 others were buried under a landslide at Hatiesia Songma village in South Garo Hills. District administrations have also been directed to release compensation to the family. Meanwhile, the NDRF team is carrying out the search and rescue operation.